I'm scared. Don't kill me though, okay? Don't kill me. If I die here, just know it's Andrew, okay? Okay. Just show me. What did you just call me? You called me a slur. Okay. No, I'm not ready. No, I'm not ready. I don't trust that. Dingus would fix the lights.